Hi everyone, welcome back to today's live stream. Hi Abra, hi team from Next Trader. Long time no see you. How are you, my friends? It's been a while. I didn't see you here. Hi, hi Harun, hi S and G. I will father you. Welcome back, my friends. Long time no see you. And as usual, yeah, in the early Asian session today, gold prices already set up a new all-time high when it touched to 55.11. 51, yeah, 51.11. And after that, it's have a very strong bearish momentum. Uh-huh. This is when there's a lot of traders took partials. And there are a lot of selling pressure after touching to new all-time high, right? And basically, now geopolitical tensions is still increasing all around the world, especially to the new decision of Mr. President Donald Trump to European countries. All right, and Russia-Ukraine war haven't stopped yet, even though that they are nearly heading to a peace discussion. But now all the willing is kind of struggling right now, right? So that's why those factors, yeah, pushed gold price heading to a new all-time high recently, yeah, in the early Asian session today. And you can see now gold price keep on open a gap up, right? A very big gap up. So it can collapse anytime. All right, especially for swing traders who want to hold any long-term position, right? You need to careful with your decision. And for us, every time, every day, I will prepare my gold trading plan. Okay, so you can refer it and have yourself your strategy. Before I start my live stream today, there also had a sell signal, right? More than 200 pips from 696, 1596 level. Amazing sell. And in the long term, in the short term, like 5 minutes, you can see gold price is heading to the short term bearish momentum at the moment. And there's a trend line. You can see that. We will take a look for the current 5 minute candle. How is it look like? And you can see it forms a lower highs at the moment. Yeah, short term bearish momentum. Hi, Sergey. Welcome back, my friends. And today on Monday, there's not any special news at all. Let's take a look for the whole week. Yeah, it's kind of quiet on Monday and Tuesday. Even though that we will have Orange New, yeah, Mr. President Trump speak, tentative. Yeah, it was tentative already. Okay, so we're heading to this Wednesday. Yeah, CPI year over year and month over month. And Thursday, yeah, as usual, we will have unemployment claims. Oh, and this Friday we will have GDP and PPI. All right. So this week is kind of quiet and there's a not too busy for us. Okay, but my reminder for every traders, always set the stop loss. Okay, when you decide to order any trade, can you promise to that? Can you promise that you will set the stop loss every time you trade? That's just the only way for us to protect our capital when we trade and our trading psychology as well. So I usually receive the sad story, the sad sharing story from my friends watching my live stream about their loss because of not setting the stop loss. So every time I heard it, I cannot do anything but remind them once again about setting the stop loss like this. Yeah. That is really challenging for us, right? I know the feeling. It's hit our stop loss and then reverse to our direction. It's very annoyed. But that is the trap from the market. They want us to feel that. Yeah, so that's why we need to manage it and control our demand. Okay, and currently, are you holding any position so far, my friend? Are you holding any position right now? Yeah, let's interact a bit before I send you gold trading plan or gold signal today. Let's wait how this candle close and I will advise you the next signal. Hope your gold will drop for 1060, 600. Mm, it's kind of quiet, difficult because now if that gold need a very, very special reason for that bearish reaction. But it can happen anytime. So that's why I advise you if you're looking for buy position, you need to very careful. Okay, very careful. All right, my friends, I would like to set up a buy signal. Yeah, at 50, 90 to 50, 91, and stop loss will be set at 87. Oh, I will make it higher a bit. Okay, stop loss I will set at 88. Yeah, now gold price is around our entry and it appears the below candle wicks. Yeah, it shows us the very strong, significant bullish momentum. All right. Have you entered the current signal yet, my friends? Okay, good luck to all of you. Good idea to spot buy gold as price expected to hit 6,000 at the end. Everyone expected for that price level, that gold will hit even the 10,000s for a few years later. But we need to wait because it can collapse anytime. The below gap, open gap up appears, and this is very dangerous for all of us. And we are Scalper, so that every day, yeah, especially in the early Asian session, I will heading to and observe the bigger time frame, and after that give your analysis for the whole day trading. I'll plan, okay? I'll plan our strategy for the whole day. You know that the I read a news. I read news recently, and if you observe the current global news, yeah, there's a lot of wars relating to economy, and geopolitical tensions will happen and increase in 2026. Greenland, European, Russia, Ukraine haven't stopped yet, and especially how to say that when Mr. President Donald Trump became the president of USA, there's a lot of things that happened all throughout the world, right? And that's why we need to trade safely in the era, yeah, Mr. Trump era. All right, the current signal. Yeah, we need to enter enough entry, okay? Enter enough entry and close the bad position when price reverse. Do not try to enter anymore. And do not lower our stop loss, okay? This game I just set around minus 30 pips for all of us to trade. Yeah, just to testing this EMA, the bullish momentum of EMA. You had limits at 50.84. 50.84 below here, right? I see. It's lower than my entry a little bit. Oh, it's 2 pips left that it will hit my entry. Okay, just hit the stop loss for this entry. Yeah, the bearish momentum coming back, and then we hit minus 30 pips. Yeah, just to testing. That's why I tighten. Yeah, I tighten our stop loss a little bit. Minus 30 pips. This is a significant loss for today live stream signal. Not too much, right? Okay. Yeah, it hits the minus 30 pips. Okay, exit the game. Don't try to hold it anymore. Okay, minus 30 pips is just a small loss. You have the whole account. So don't waste for one fail signal. Okay? Don't try to waste for one fail signal. Hi Ben, welcome back, my friends. Trading 121. Okay, feel free to send me a direct message on Telegram, my friend. Okay, running channel. Yeah, so can we can discuss if you wish. Thank you so much for your concern. Okay, thank you. Let's see how it react below here at 85. 85 here. 85 is waiting. You know that buy zone around 88 to 86 is also brought to all VIP members 80 pips profit. So let's see how this candle will happen. That is break down this level or not. Let's wait how this candle close. You can see that below here we have the liquidity gap below here. Because of this candle, a very strong bullish momentum. Okay, for this candle close, how does it look like? It's starting to have a bullish candle in a 1 minute time frame. All right, 86. For the significant resistance zone, we were heading to a about 50.95. 50.95. I'm looking for the reaction of the current candle at from 84 to 86. There's a gap down here. You can see that is have a chain of character, chain of character at this zone. But it's not confirmed yet because we're looking at them in a 1 minute time frame, so it's easily having noise. Yeah, have noise. So that's why we need to patience a little bit. So did you hit for your entry, my friend? Team Phoenix? Oh, it's just dropping down so quickly. Yeah, that's why I advise you to be patient for this bearish candle. Okay, so it's breakdown from lower one very quickly. So this is the notice alert for all of us to be careful if you want to hold any buy position in today New York session. Yeah, very impressive for 1 minute candle. Moving 60 pips. Yeah, moving 60 pips for 1 minute candle. And now it's heading down to 75. So observing the chain of character area in 1 minute time frame is have easily have noise. Yeah, you can see. All right, touching to 78. Yeah, and have very strong bullish momentum after that immediately. Yeah, so dangerous. My friends, Team Phoenix, if you hold any buy position, like you shared me, I think that you should have a proper stop loss level because now you can see that the bearish momentum is very strong and it's it's a sweep to every stop loss for buy position. And I think that this bearish momentum will not stop. It will continue. Let's say in a bigger time frame, like 1 hour. All right, we have below support zone at 74. 74. If we lengthen this trend line, you can say that we have the triangle. Okay, the triangle. And there's a lot of gap below here. One, two, entirely this gap below here. And the level 74 is very important for us to observe in the next coming New York session. If it's break down, it's easily filled below gap here and the willing of buyers will be disappear. You stop loss little below. Oh, it's kind of very big stop loss. Oh, that's why you follow swing trader. Okay, so brave. Yeah, so bravery. So lower than this candle wicks, right? It's gonna be good, but unfortunately, when it hits, yeah, it's a huge loss. But if you can trade with a significant trading volume, I guess that you already get well prepared, yeah, for this signal. So that is my point of view about the important support zone. Is this okay for you, Nawa? I remember you, yeah, every time you joined my live stream and you gave me very good question. Yeah, I'm very appreciate for that. It's heading up and you can see it's still moving in this channel. Okay. Gold price is still moving in this channel and waiting for explosion. And we don't know which direction it's gonna be. And we will observe that it break down from 5074. Below gap will be easily filled. All right. And like you shared last time, yeah, the last candle of New York session on Friday. Yeah, closing with bullish candle. So that is the signal for you. And the market will have a strong bullish momentum in the early Asian session on Monday. And now it's come true. Yeah, so that is a very good decision and good observation. So if you watch the chart many, many times, so you can see the rules. Yeah, the rules that the market will happen and repeat many, many times. So that is the understanding about the market language. Yeah, and candles is the market language. Okay, now it's heading back to your entry. Phoenix, I guess that you're still holding your trade, right? What a close. Drawdown is necessary. I see. So you have a clear strategy for swing trader. And for me, as a scalper, my stop loss is kind of short. Yeah. Okay, so that's it depends to each person favorite trading style, right? So anyone have long experience enough, they will brave, yeah, to set up that position and decide the style, the trading style they will follow. Okay, as you can see in the 15-minute time frame is have the breakdown area right there. Let's see how it is coming. 86 to 88. Okay, I'm looking at for the current resistance zone. And if I can see the bearish momentum is coming right now, I will set up a sell order. If not, yeah, I will cancel my plan. Let's wait how this 5 minute candle close. A few seconds left. Intraday trader. Yeah, that's interesting. Okay, let's set up a sell signal. 50, 82, 80, 82, 56. And stop loss will be set at 91. And our take profit will the same formula. We are around. Yeah, we are around our entry. Enter enough signal is okay, okay? Because this is the breakdown area. So I would like to set up a scalping signal for this zone. At this zone. Yeah, we have entry 87. If you enter any position around 86, you can close it. Hold for good position only. Restrictor break front over lookout in 5 minutes perfectly well. Wow, it's heading down. Okay, so anyone follow my signal, my friend? 15 pips profit from entry 87. Okay, let me zoom it out for you to see it clearly. Okay, close on the bad position around 86. If you hold at 87, yeah, that is a good choice for you. Okay, yeah, there you go. We have our first 30 pips profit. Okay, very good signal to compensate for all of you. So all I need is your patience, okay? That is how we react, how we recover when we had loss. Thank you, Steve Temple. Did you enter for this trade, my friends? Oh, and that was quick indeed because we have a breakdown area here. So that is just a quick scalping. Yeah, quick scalping. And our target will be 82. Yeah, 82 first. And our first target is 30 pips and 82 will be our second. You can take parcels when it hits to 30 pips first. That is a scalper style, right? Okay, so bad you entered to correct signal, right? Okay, I'm very glad that you have profit today. Yeah, my pleasure. And my friends, you are watching my live stream today. If you already had the signal and profit, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like for today's live stream video to support me to build this channel, getting more and more better. Thank you so much, my friends. So accepting loss is the part of the game, right? No fear at all. We need to calm down and be disciplined to every trade, every signal to set the stop loss order. I know that I repeated this um, experience many times and will cause you boring, but I need to do that. You know, that's not easy and not everyone will do it. So that's why I need to repeat it from days to days. Yeah, if you heard it many times, you will remember and note it in your brain, in your mind. And sometimes when you decide not to set the stop loss order, you will remember my voice. Yeah, my voice hanging around on your head. And yeah, you will set the stop loss when you supposed not to do it. Okay, so I hope that it will help you a lot to avoid missing, losing. Okay, thank you so much. I will follow you for trusting me. Now, what did you enter for the current trade, my friends? Hi, Crowd one, and Gibran. Anyone that just comment to the stop loss for the first order. I wonder that you enter for the current signal or not. Now it's reversed back to our entry. Okay, you can try to enter small lot for second round. Yeah, at entry 87. Small lot, okay, because it already bring to us profit. So I advise you to lower the trading volume for the second round. For second round, enter enough entry. Yeah, lower trading volume and just enter enough entry. Because that's just when you put the risk higher. Okay, thank you so much, my friends, for joining my live stream. You're so enthusiastic. Let's say that it will hit to a level 88 or not. Yeah, you can see the struggling between the sellers and buyer at 88. Yeah, from 5 minutes candle. Okay, if you hit enough entry, don't try to enter as many as you wish. Do not hire the stop loss order, okay? Do not hire your stop loss order. The market want to push the gold price heading up. So strong for this 1 hour candle. Let's wait until this 1 hour candle close, okay? And there's still breakdown area up here. All right. Very strong bullish momentum. It's nearly hit 91. Okay, let's quit it. I think that is time for you to quit it. Yeah, close at minus 20 pips is better for you. So that's why, yeah, you can say that the second entry will be riskier. So I advise you to lower trading volume. Yeah, there's also have reason for this. Okay, it hit 30 pips and then reverse and hit the stop loss. Let's see how it reacts with the trend line. 92. Yeah, gold price so crazy recently. Minus 30 pips, yeah. Sorry, we had 30 pips profit and then reversed hit a stop loss. So that's why I advise you to take partials. And if you want to re-enter, lower the trading volume. Yeah, to avoid the many loss you may have. Justine, can you tell me that which round you enter, my friend? You enter the first round or second round? Did you take parcels when it hit to 30 pips profit, my friend? No, this is already recover. So if you want to receive a recover signal, you try to follow enough the VIP signal. Yeah, you are VIP members, so no worries for that. Yeah, okay. Thank you so much. Did you enter for sell signal, my friend, at 5096.5? Yeah, that was a good one. Yeah, really nice shot. You can say that most of the signal in today's VIP signal graph was buy, and less of them was sell. But most signal was buy anyway. And remember that today market we have orange new at 2:30. Yeah, 2:30 p.m. Even though that they are orange new, but never let them down. Always remember to set stop loss for every layer you are in, okay? Orange new. Yeah, orange new. Near 2 hours later. So let me check in a 5 minute, 1 hour time frame to see what was going on. Yeah, very impressive bullish momentum that helped gold recover. And now you can see that it tend to break out from the current trend line, right? So we need to prepare for all the direction that we will follow. 92, yeah, 92, and this trend line will be our alert level. 92 to 93. So we will concern this candle wicks, okay, will be the significant resistance. And this is still the channel of gold price moving into J New York session. If they break down or break out, we have another direction or the script or the strategy. Hi Wasim, long time no see you, my friend. How are you? Oh, the trend line is now working, accumulating around 93 and currently have a short-term bearish momentum. So let's see for 15 minutes later how it this candle close. Okay, so this is very important for us to have the view and strategy to trade in today's New York session. Okay, thank you so much for joining today's live stream. Yeah, let me take uh let's see. Silver. Oh, it's lack of you. Okay, like gold. Yeah, similar to gold. Now it's still accumulating at the peak area. And I'm not sure that it had a gap up in today early Asian session or not. It was a doji. Yeah, it was a doji. But it's also the starting for the uptrend, right? In the whole day. Oh, sorry. You can say that it's breakdown from the channel. Yeah, I draw you last Friday, and and when it break down, it had a short-term bearish momentum. So if you trade with this channel, right, by using this tool, regression trend, yeah, it can be a good one. Yeah, a good tool for you to set up the buy or sell signal. But everything had its probability. All right, so that's why stop loss is very important for us. And for many countries right now, silver became a very profitable asset besides gold. So there's a lot of options. And metal will be a good one. And below channel at 108, okay, you can consider for a sell signal if it's break down the below regression trend. The upper one at 110, okay, 110 will be considered to buy if it's break out. Currently, it's still moving sideways, but you can see the bullish momentum is now coming back. We have below EMA 89 support for the bullish one. However, there is a sharp resistance zone at 108 and 9, 109.5. Trading silver, profit and loss will be more if you use the same trading volume from gold to trade silver. That's terribly dangerous. All right, so it's better for you to use the MT5 to calculate automatically about profit and loss before you try to enter any signal and decide your trading volume when you trade silver. My advice for you that you should lower the trading volume if you trade silver. Yeah, you cannot keep it the same if you trade silver like gold. No, it cannot. It's very dangerous for you. And if you if you want to set up any signal, you need to wait for the direction or reaction of the candle at a specific level. And if you want to identify them, looking at the chart in a 1 hour time frame, yeah, 1 hour to 30 minutes. Okay, it will less noise than you observe in a small time frame. Gold price had just had a bearish momentum heading down to 87. Yeah, it was very annoyed, right? It cannot break out from the current trend line. But you can see the bullish momentum wasn't stopped. It didn't stop. Yeah, bullish momentum didn't stop. Gradually, it's heading up and want to break out from the current trend line. Any trade there or not? Recently, it just had a sell signal. but it's heading up so quickly. Yeah, it's got 30 pips profit and reversed to the stop loss level. And the signal, I will post it in my VIP channel. If you want to receive the signals to trade in today's New York session, yeah, you can send me direct message on Telegram and I can instruct you how to join it. Okay, I'm looking at the current candle that it will break out 93 or not. Trading in the overlapping time will give you a clearer view. Okay, and I choose this time to set up a live stream session so that I and my friends, yeah, all of you can observe the market in the overlapping time between the London and New York session. And you can see that the market's usually moving quietly after it hit a strong momentum. Okay, and then it will go slower. And there was two opposite direction happened. Yeah, it touching to 87 and then the bullish momentum was very strong and pushed the gold price heading up to 92. We still have a very small liquidity gap below here from set 75 to 78. Yeah, this gap haven't filled yet. Haven't been filled yet, so we will wait. If it's reverse and cannot break this trend line, so below level is waiting for gold. But I think script, that scenario will not happen because now I believe that the bullish momentum will recover. And tomorrow, once again, gold price will setting up a new all-time high once again. Hi, Bralad. Welcome back, my friends. Are you late for today's live stream, my friends? A few minutes later, a few minutes later, it 1 hour candle will close. You can see that in the bigger time frame, like 1 hour, it cannot break out and forming a kind of short candle wicks, upper candle wicks, right? So this shows you the indecisions between the sellers and buyers at this area. So anyone try to sell at 92 to 93, trade with the trend line. Anyone hold that sell position? Sell to trend line. No one comments, so I guess that none of you hold that sell position. If yet, that is just a quick scalping signal. Okay, the last 5 minutes. Anyone have question? Want to ask me? A significant level I already note to you and just follow that plan. Oh, you are holding that sell position from 83. Okay, so it hit 87. Do you take partials, my friend? Monday are tough indeed because the quantity of traders is less than other days. So lower trading volume will be easily to manipulated by the big players or market makers. It's called sensitive time, Monday and Friday, and the times near in bank holiday, okay, or trading news. Those are the time that is very sensitive for us to trade. If you sell at four eight, if you sell at 92, you should take partials, okay, and set stop loss at the break even. Is it breakout? It's easily heading up strongly, like this candle, this bearish candle, and this bullish one. We cannot predict anything. We just try to reduce the risk as the maximum. Okay, Steve Temple. If you are Scalper, just follow the formula. 30 pips, take partials, and set the break even. Okay, the last 2 minutes is very important for us. Okay, good luck for your decision. Let's see the bullish momentum coming back or not. If it's hit the break even, you didn't lose anything. Okay, and you still have profit as well. You still go down. Yeah, because of the bearish momentum is taking place, right? And the shape of the current candle. Crossing fingers. Anyway, that's just our feeling, and the markets never follow our feeling. We just want to protect our capital. And the last seconds always contain surprising. Trading near the trend line, and you can see price is struggling at the trend line area. It's easily breakdown. Breakout. Yeah, easily breakout. If it's found, it will heading to below 88. Yeah, and still have the bullets reacting. Okay, let's count down nearly 40 minutes. 40 seconds. Yeah, market shows us the very strong and very clear indecision right now. Observing in a 5 minute time frame, yeah, is useful. You have stopped at 93. Okay, as long as that is your entry. All right, it's reversed down. Okay, you can confident to hold this sell signal. And our first taking profit will be 88. Okay, good luck everyone. That anyone still hold the sell signal at 92 to 93. And thank you so much, my friends, for joining today's live stream. And I hope that we all have a good time to each other, and you already have a very useful experience and trading tools for your trading journey. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel to receive the notification when I start to live stream on YouTube. And you can also follow me on the Telegram by scanning the QR code I insert on the left side of the chart. Once again, thank you so much and see you next time this Wednesday. Goodbye. Have a lovely day.